We have spent millennia believing that what we see is all there is. For our ancestors, the horizon was the end of the world. For our astronomers, the edge of the observable universe is the final frontier. But what if our perception is lying to us? We look at the stars and see a vast, nearly infinite void. But modern physics suggests a radical alternative. What if every galaxy, every black hole, and every breath you take is merely a shadow? A three-dimensional sheet floating in a higher dimensional ocean. To understand our place in the cosmos, we must look beyond the 3 dimensions we call home. We must step off the edge of the known and into the bulk. In the mathematics of M-theory, the most promising evolution of string theory, our universe is defined as a membrane, or brane for short. Think of it this way. Imagine a single sheet of paper suspended in a vast, empty room. To a microscopic ant living on the surface of that paper, the world has only 2 dimensions. It has no concept of up or down into the room itself. That room is what physicists call the bulk, the higher dimensional space that encompasses all things. We are like that ant. We are trapped on a 3-dimensional brane. According to the equations, there are at least 10 spatial dimensions plus 1 of time. We cannot see these extra dimensions because our particles, the photons of light and the electrons in our bodies, are physically tied to the brane itself. We are not floating in space. We are part of the fabric of the sheet. This theory isn't just a beautiful dream. It solves the greatest mystery in physics, the hierarchy problem. Gravity is the fundamental force that holds galaxies together, yet it is staggeringly weak. A tiny toy magnet can pull a paperclip upward, easily defeating the gravitational pull of the entire Earth. Compared to the electromagnetic force or the nuclear forces, gravity is 10 to the power of 36 times weaker. Why? The Brane multiverse provides a haunting answer. While light and matter are stuck to our membrane like Velcro, gravity is different. Gravity is a manifestation of the geometry of space-time itself. It is not tethered to the brane. In M-theory, gravitons are closed loops of string. They are free to leak off our sheet and radiate into the bulk. We only feel the diluted leftovers of gravity's true strength. There may be other branes just millimeters away from us in the higher dimensional bulk, invisible because light cannot bridge the gap, yet felt through the ghostly reach of gravity. If we live on a floating sheet, what happens when 2 sheets touch? For decades, we believed the Big Bang was a singularity, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics break down. But Brane Cosmology offers the Ekpyrotic scenario. It suggests the Big Bang wasn't a beginning, but a contact. Imagine 2 neighboring branes drifting through the bulk. When they collide, the energy released is unfathomable. This titanic impact would fill each universe with hot, dense matter and radiation, triggering the expansion we observe today. In this model, the Big Bang isn't a unique miracle. It is a cycle, a cosmic rhythm of collision, expansion, and eventually, perhaps, another touch. We are part of a perpetual motion machine on a scale that dwarfs the stars. We are explorers on a shore we cannot see. If we live on a brane, then the end of our universe is merely the edge of another. The atoms in your body are tied to this sheet, but your mind has used the language of mathematics to reach into the bulk. Our 3-dimensional home may be just one page in a book of infinite stories.